I am changing the turbo core, as this turbo was leaking oil into the exhaust very bad. First I need to remove all the bolts holding the housings. This was not easy due to rounded heads and carbon buildup, so I got to use my favorite hammer again. The old bearings had too much play and started leaking oil. Bye bye. All the parts cleaned and a brand new core. You can get the core only, for a good price, and it comes balanced, which is very important. Make sure you rotate it correctly, otherwise it won't fit. Here is a closer look at the retainers that hold it in the turbine housing. And here comes the compressor side housing. Snug up all the bolts and inserts. And by the way, this comes from my B5 Audi, follow me if you want to see more of it. This is the finished product, rebuilt and ready to be mounted on my 180D.